Most people in America didn't realize how serious the coronavirus threat would be until late February or March. But one local couple saw what was coming in the devastation of their native country of China. KCTV5's Betsy Webster shows you how they're helping the fight here in the metro.
The devastation in Wuhan seemed far away for many of us, but for Fang Shen and David Cheng, who live in Johnson County, it felt much closer. They have family still living in China. That's Shen's parents with her son during a visit to her hometown in northern China last summer, and her brother in Beijing.
When it started spreading in China, we were basically living with our family and friends back there.
She says it was utter panic because there was so little known then, with no other nation's experience or research to inform them.
So people in China was in a much greater panic.
Friday, their Kansas City Chinese Association arrived at a KU Health System warehouse with 500 Honeywell N95 masks and 3,500 medical-grade masks, along with a check for $2,000.
We have some Chinese business in local area, and they're doing the logistic business, so they have some resource in China to help us.
They pooled resources with Chinese associations in California, Ohio, and Nebraska to make that happen. KU Health System leaders say they are grateful for that contribution and so many others. Businesses, organizations, and individuals contributing everything from money to medical supplies to meals.
Somebody else has reached out and recognizes what they're doing. That's the real meaning behind it, and that's what makes it so wonderful.
Before the fundraiser for KU, the group organized a similar effort for those suffering in China, but they knew their next effort would be in KC.
I mean, this is our country, this is our home. We felt just the urge that we really need to do something for the healthcare workers here in our own community.
Thanks medical workers for fighting the coronavirus for us. And the donation is just a part of our support efforts. We're not done yet. We're continuing working on this until we win.
Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
And Betsy asked if they've experienced any anti-Asian discrimination during the pandemic, and they told her that they haven't heard anything within their group, but have heard some stories targeting people in the Vietnamese community.